It started with a sore throat on Thursday evening. Nothing serious, just a little dryness, maybe from too much talking at work or walking in the cold wind. But by Friday morning, Leandro's voice was almost gone. His throat was burning, his nose was stuffy, and he felt like he had swallowed sandpaper. He made it through the workday with hot tea and silence. But on Saturday morning, he knew he needed something stronger. His roommate looked at him and said, "You sound awful. Go to the pharmacy, man." Leandro nodded. His voice came out as a whisper. "Yeah, I think I need medicine." He put on a jacket, grabbed his wallet, and walked to the pharmacy 2 blocks away. He had passed it many times, but had never gone inside before. The bright green cross above the door blinked slowly, and the automatic doors opened with a soft whoosh. He stepped inside, looked around, and felt a bit lost. Shelves full of boxes, labels in English, unfamiliar brand names. He didn't know exactly what he needed. Back home in Brazil, he would just say the name of a product and the pharmacist would hand it to him. But now, he had to explain his symptoms in English. A woman in a white coat was behind the counter, organizing some boxes. Leandro approached slowly. "Hi," he said, clearing his throat. Excuse me." She looked up and smiled. "Hi there. How can I help you today?" Leandro pointed to his throat. "My throat is very sore, and my nose is blocked. I feel like a cold is starting." "Oh, no, I'm sorry to hear that." She walked around the counter. "Let's see what we can do. Do you have a fever?" "Not yet, just sore throat, some pressure here," he said, pointing to his forehead. "And my voice is gone." She nodded. "Sounds like a viral infection. Let me recommend something for the pain and the congestion." She walked him over to a shelf and picked up 2 boxes. "This one is for your throat. It's a lozenge. You dissolve it in your mouth. It helps reduce pain and inflammation. And this one is a decongestant. You take 1 tablet every 6 hours. It should help clear your nose." Leandro nodded. "Okay. Can I take them together?" "Yes, but take them after eating." "Have you eaten today?" "Yes, I had toast and tea this morning." "Perfect. Do you have any allergies to medicine?" "No, I don't think so." "All right. Then you should be fine. Do you need anything else? Painkillers, vitamins, anything for sleep?" Leandro thought for a second. "Maybe something to help me sleep tonight. I didn't sleep well last night." She nodded again. "This herbal syrup might help. It's natural, doesn't make you drowsy in the morning." At the counter, she scanned the items while Leandro pulled out his wallet. "That will be $18.90, please." He handed her his card. "Can I pay by contactless?" "Of course." He tapped the machine, and it beeped. "Would you like a bag?" "No, it's okay. I'll carry it." She handed him the receipt and smiled warmly. "Hope you feel better soon. Drink lots of fluids and get some rest." Leandro smiled back. "Thank you, and thank you for explaining everything." "My pleasure. Have a good weekend, even if it's a quiet one." Walking back home, Leandro felt a strange mix of emotions. Tired, sick, but proud. He had just explained his symptoms, asked questions, and understood advice all in English. It wasn't perfect. He had paused, hesitated, forgotten words. But he had done it. At home, he made tea, took the medicine, and opened his notebook. He wrote down useful phrases from the pharmacy. My throat is sore. I have a blocked nose. It feels like a cold is starting. Can I take this with food? Do you have anything for sleep? I don't have any allergies. Then he whispered them out loud, even with his scratchy voice. Later that day, his roommate asked, "So, did you survive the English pharmacy challenge?" Leandro nodded. "Yes, I spoke to a pharmacist. She understood me." "Nice. You're leveling up." And honestly, it felt like he was. Not just because he got medicine, but because he handled a real-life situation with real English. Going to the pharmacy in a new country can be stressful, especially when you're sick. But it's also a chance to practice useful, real-world English. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to say what you feel, ask questions, and be honest. Here are some phrases that can help. I have a sore throat and a headache. Do you have something for this? How often should I take it? Can I take this before bed? Are there any side effects? Use them, practice them, whisper them, even when your voice is almost gone. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.